Hello, aviators. Today we have a test flight after some necessary maintenance to the fuel system on the Glacier. We've had some work done with the fuel injectors being replaced. We've sent the fuel servo out for overhaul 2, and there was a service bulletin related to the fuel filter, getting some water out of the system there, that all have been replaced. And so it's being tested that the engine is running good and we don't have any fuel contamination issues there. I'm also going to practice using the lean function on my Grand Rapids EFIS. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Just one last note that there is some noise on the radio. Unfortunately, it's not ideal, but I was able to communicate with ATC, and so that'll be one of my next to-do list items is working on those radios. Enjoy the flight.
Napa ground experimental Glacier 2527 Tango at the fuel farm with information in November. Would like to depart for a flight test orbiting over the airport at 8,500 feet.
Aircraft calling Napa ground, say again your intentions and your call sign.
That's November 2527 Tango. We want to orbit over the airfield at 8,500 feet for about an hour.
Welcome 2525 Tango Napa ground, running 19er left taxi via Alpha 4 Alpha Foxtrot.
Can we get 19er right actually, 27 Tango?
Welcome 25 Tango, roger, running 19er right taxi via Alpha 4 Alpha Kilo.
19er right via Alpha 4 Alpha Kilo, November 2527 Tango.
Okie dokie, set that parking brake. Controls free correct. Alright, good there. Do. Okay. 019. Alright, that's the altimeter. Checks. Good. Fuel's on main. Or full rich for takeoff. Trim set for takeoff. Run up 18. Okay, let's see. Mag check's good. Prop cycle. Amps. Good. Suction's 5, that's good. Throttle to the idle. Okay. 1,000. Tower on standby. Stay with them the whole time. Transponder squawking altitude of 1200. Alright. Mess with the autopilot later if we feel like it. Belts are set. Canopies are closed and latched. Okay. That's all set. Okay, in terms of emergency procedures, if we have an engine failure before takeoff, we're just going to pull the throttle idle and step on the brakes. If we have an engine failure below 1,000 feet, we're going to pitch for 100 knots, land straight ahead. And if it's over 1,000 feet, then we'll troubleshoot it and take a look at the engine in the air. So that's it there.
Glacier 2527 Tango traffic in the upwind, making right close traffic, Cherokee. Right downwind departure approved, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 19er right, downwind approved, November 2527 Tango.
Here's full rich.
Tower Cherokee Archer 32378 is Hornet runway 19 right for our westbound departure toward Petaluma.
Cherokee 824 right downwind departure approved.
Right down departure approved 84.
Okie dokie. Here we go.
Other aircraft calling Zeta.
Napa Tower, Cherokee Archer 333, 740 short runway 19 right. We are ready for departure for our westbound toward Pelham Airport.
Cherokee 33378 Napa Tower, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff, westbound departure approved.
Clear for takeoff, down departure, Cherokee Archer 33370.
Cessna 3 Tango Tower, runway 19 right, clear for the option.
19 right, clear for the option, Cessna 3 Tango Hotel.
Here's block there. Cessna 44 Vector, runway 19 left, clear for the option.
Runway 19 left, clear for the option, 44 Victor.
Glass Air 7, correction, Glass Air 27 Foxtrot Tango, traffic. Glass Air 2527 Tango, traffic off your right hand side, about a mile west of the airport, northbound is a climbing Cherokee out of 1,800.
257 Tango, we'll look for the traffic.
Napa Tower, Skyline 1145 Bravo, 10 miles to the north with November, looking for a full stop.
All right, without
Cessna 3 Tango Hotel, traffic for the parallel, left base Cessna.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 3 Tango Hotel.
Cessna 44 Victor, traffic for the parallel, Cessna short final.
Looking for traffic, traffic inside 44 Victor.
Aircraft calling 10 miles northwest of the airport, say intentions and verify you have information November.
1145 Bravo, 9 miles, half November, full stop.
November 1145 Bravo, Napa Tower, make sure and runway 19 right, report 4 miles, and say aircraft type.
Skylane 182, report 12 miles, 19 left, 1145 Bravo.
Skyline 45 Bravo, just to verify, make sure and runway 19 right.
19 right, thank you.
Cherokee 824, frequency change approved, good day.
I'm approved, 3100 report.
Glass Air 27 Tango, for flight following, contact Oakland Center.
Contact Oakland Center for flight following, 2527 Tango.
All right, here we are approaching 8,500. Engine temperatures are nominal. RPM looks good. Manifold pressure looks good. Test cards do 4 left turning circuits. About 15 minutes or so. So far, so good. Engine's running smooth. Cruising at 115 knots right now. Way up there on your right wing is the peninsula of San Francisco. Bay Bridge just over yonder, Salesforce Tower. Cool stuff. Cessna. Okay, number 3, we're going to go to 2650 RPM and do left turning orbits for 15 minutes, monitoring engine stats.
Tower 6 Golf Mike, are you going to let us know when we can go below 15?
Cessna 6 Golf Mike, are you permitted traffic for the runway 24 making left close traffic? Report site.
Okay, there's 2650.
6 Golf Mike, they're off your right hand side, turning left now to the south, with the left pattern to 24.
Traffic inside 6 Golf Mike.
These CHGs
are
are
up. Mike, altitude at your discretion, runway 19 right.
CHGs are up to 380. Still stable.
Altitude my discretion, right down on 19 right, we'll land hold short 24 for traffic 6 Golf Mike.
Attention all aircraft. Information Oscar is now current, wind 200 at 6, altimeter 3017, brake. Cessna 44 Victor, runway 19 right, clear for the Oscar. Runway 19 right.
Information Oscar.
Star 9er Delta Zero, contact departure display.
Contact departure 379 Delta Zero.
All right, let's fire up that lean assist. Okay, green, white. EGTs are going up. 14, 1450. Getting a little rough there. That's pretty rough then, okay. Not quite. 8 gallons per hour, that's good, 8.5. All right. Okay. Not bad. Engine's been pretty smooth. Couldn't quite lean it, but I haven't had a lot of practice on that. That was the only time it was getting a little rough, but to be expected.
Cessna 44 Victor, runway 19 right, clear for the option.
Runway 19 right, clear for the option. Thank you.
Otherwise, looks pretty good.
Good afternoon.
Feeling good?
I'm in 396 Hotel. We are 10
Looking
miles
forward to getting more
south.
flights in.
Inbound for a full stop taxi back with information Oscar.
Get back in the flying game.
Cessna 93906 Hotel, Mount Tower, make left traffic, runway 19 left, report midfield.
That traffic 19 left will report with 296 Hotel.
Okay, we are descending from 8,500, manifolds at 15 inches. Still got the prop at 2650. I'm going to have another orbit here. Well, I'll stretch it out a little. Yeah, we'll go around to one more lap here as we descend.
Napa Tower, Glass Air 2527 Tango, 10 miles to the west at 3,000 speed with information after inbound.
November 2527 Tango, Napa Tower, make right traffic, runway 19 right, report midfield. Stay tape, aircraft again.
Report midfield 19 right, yes, Glass Air 2527 Tango.
Roger, thank you.
Napa Tower 2527 Tango, midfield right downwind 19 right.
Lands Air 27 Tango, runway 19 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land 19 right, 2527 Tango.
Cherokee 378 number 2, following Lance Air, runway 19 right, cleared for the option on the go, make right, close traffic.
Number 2 behind the traffic, runway 19 right, right hand close traffic, clear the option, Cherokee 378.
Landing lights on, gears down, picture's rich. We are beam, we're a little low, let's fix that. Okay. First notch of flaps.
Cessna 44 Victor, contact ground point 7.
Ground point 7, thanks.
Got the descent. That's second notch of flaps.
Napa Tower, helicopter CHP 32, 6.5 southeast, 1,200 Oscar for the pad.
CSP 32, Napa Tower, landing at the ramp will beach your own risk, wind 2107.
CHP 32, roger.
Gears down, undercarriage down, fuel's good, mixture's in. Props full, switches are on. 8 knots.
Cessna 3 Tango Hotel, frequency change approved, see ya.
Frequency change approved, see you later, Tango.
Good landing.
Lance Air 27 Tango, turn left at Echo, cross runway 19 left, contact ground point 7.
Left at Echo, cross 19 left, ground point 7, 27 Tango.
All right, back on Earth. Landing lights off. Feeling confident. Things ran great. Engine was solid. Beautiful Sunday afternoon in California. Okay. That'll do it on the flight test. Thanks for watching. See you around in the next one.